So in Angular CLI, that routing typically sets the router for you in the app.config.ts file. So now you can open this app.config.ts file and you should see a option that is nothing but the function provide router call. So if not present, you can add it like this. Automatically it will be present. So this configures the Angular router with routes array we define in the routes. So after finishing this one, so what we need to do it is we need to open the app.component.html file, and here you can add the links for this one. The router link directive, a router link first component, like this you can add it. So since this one is a standalone component, after adding this one, so you need to add the route-routlet also. So this is the place where the routing and all the things will be loaded. So now after adding this one, so what you need to do it is, so in our app.component.ts file, we need to import this router-outlet and these all the things we need to import it. And now after completing this one all, if you try to see the output, so now you will be able to see this app will be started working out. This is the basic Angular routing setup. I will be providing the full video link below to this shot. For more details, you can watch that video.